What's up, y'all? It's Every Penny Counts. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to get free promo codes. All right, now this is a site I want you to sign up for. The link to it is in the description. Click on it. Start your account. I'm gonna show you how you can really, take off with this site. All right. So first and foremost, you see my balance here. I have 368 points. That's equivalent to $3.68. This is a site where you can get paid to do surveys and do offers and things like that. When I'm on this site, the main two things that I'm focused on this page is your surveys and Samplicious. If you click on your surveys, you'll see you get 77 cents for each one that you complete. All right, so my bad, 76 cents for each one that you complete. But like I always say, if you scroll down, you'll see they have other surveys that are worth more. Like right here, 134 points, 151 points, things like that. And this time, don't let this time discourage you. You might be thinking 26 minutes only to make $1.34. If you're fast at answering questions, you can knock this out in 10 minutes. It really just depends on your speed of answering questions. So that's why I never really pay attention to how much time it says, because I'm fast at answering the question, so I can knock it out in, less than half the time. You see here scrolling down, so this is a good one. 9-minute survey, you get 92 points. And like I say, you're fast at answering questions, you can probably do that in under 5 minutes. So just pay attention to that. When you're doing your surveys, kind of scroll down to find more. But you have an unlimited amount when you do the ones at the top that are actually 76 cents a piece. Those never run out. You can do those all day. All right, so now let me go over and show you Samplicious. These pay 90 cents each right here. I love doing these because they credit, so for one, they all credit instantly, but these, I have a lot of success in qualifying for the survey, because a lot of people say, oh, I take surveys, but I get frustrated with them because I don't qualify. But if you're doing Samplicious surveys on Prize Rebel, you are going to get qualified for most of them. Now, I'm guaranteeing you that. All you got to do is just be active at it. You know what I'm saying? 90 cents for each one, and they take 10 minutes to do. Not even that sometimes. You can really fly through them and really, take off in your account. So that's really what I do. Your surveys, 76 cents each one. Then you got some that pay over $1. And then Samplicious, you got 90-cent ones. And then you got some that take up to 50 minutes for $1.10. That up to 50 minutes doesn't mean it's going to be 50 minutes. They might throw some 5-minute surveys in there. So it just really depends on your speed, like I said. And also, Peanut Labs is a good one, because each one that you attempt to do, you'll get a penny, even if you disqualify for. And again, it's an unlimited amount. They never run out of surveys in Peanut Labs. You can pretty much do that all day long. All right. So like I told you in the beginning of this video, I'm going to show you how to get free promo codes. And this is a site you have to sign up for to get those free promo codes, because they're always sending them to me. They send them to me through the site. They send them to me through my email. And now I'm actually getting them in the mail. So you see here, I got a promo code that I'm actually going to type in. And I don't know what it's worth, but it's around the holiday season, so they're spreading the wealth out, I guess. And I'm gonna type in the code to see how much it's worth. Like I said, I don't know how much they're gonna give me each time I type in the code, but anything they give me, I'm gonna take it, because like I said, I'm getting promo codes all the time. And you get promo codes by, for one, clicking on the link in the description, signing up, creating your account, and then you'll find from time to time they'll send you promo codes through the mail. They'll send them to you through the site and through your email. So you just pay attention to all three of those, and you'll be surprised at how much free money they're giving you. So I'm gonna type in this code real quick, and I'm gonna see how much it's worth. So let me do that real quick. Let me go over to promo codes on this site real quick. Right here, promo code. Type it in and see what it is. I'm trying to type with one hand and record, so bear with me. Like I said, I don't know how much this code is worth, but they're giving you codes all the time. You just got to be with it. So there's the code right there, same as what they sent me in the mail. And you see how much it's worth. 25 points. You know what I'm saying? So it just gave me a free 25 points. That's not bad at all, because usually the promo codes are 5 to 10 cents, but giving out 25 cents, that's really cool. So I'm gonna close the pop-up real quick. And now you see my balance went up to $3.93. So just, telling you guys, if you want free promo codes, if you want free money, you have to sign up for this site. They're sending codes all the time. In the meantime, when you're waiting on codes to be sent to you, you can do some of these surveys, your surveys, Samplelicious, Peanut Labs over here. You know what I'm saying? Those are what I do. You feel free to, try all of these, because the more you try, the more money you're going to make, obviously. They also have some free offers that you can do on this site. But the main thing is you have to sign up for it and get started with it and find out what works for you. So, the first thing is to click on the link in the description, get your account set up, and just, do these surveys, do these offers, and of course, always look out for the free promo codes, because you really can't beat a site that's going to send you free promo codes in the mail, through your email, and to you through the site. I mean, I make a good, $1 or $2 just off promo codes. You know what I'm saying? Just here and there. So you just got to be willing to, for one, put in the work, and then just look out for the codes. It's not really anything you got to do besides, just grind it out sometimes. You know what I'm saying? Just when it comes to these surveys, just be willing to put in the work. But you'll see, like I said, with these promo codes, they're just all over the place. So you got to get started with it. And the first step is to sign up with the link in the description today. That way you can take off with this site. All right. So again, just how you get free promo codes and doing surveys. So I want you guys to get started with that. If you're new to my channel, subscribe, because I'm always giving you guys free ways to make money online. And, I bring you a new site every single Monday. I bring you a new way to make money every single Monday. And then I'm always showing you guys cash out, some tutorials, all kinds of different things. So definitely subscribe to my channel and get started with this site if you have not already done that. All right. Like I said, the link is in the description for you to get started today. It's completely free for you to get started with. All right. So that's all I wanted to show you guys, showing you how you get free promo codes. And always remember, every penny counts.